perhaps the budget as was passed, you could describe it as suboptimal. But we are remedying that situation and we are returning the most, well, let me put it simply. Ang ginagawa natin ay yung mga masyadong nawala sa NEP, sa National Expenditure Program, na hindi na nabigyan ng pondo, ay hinahanapan namin ng mga savings para maibalik ang mga pondo yan, kagaya sa edukasyon, kagaya sa health, kagaya mga pabahay, tourism. Yes, we already were able to. Natanggal yung branding budget nila, maibabalik natin. So this is what we are doing. So maybe as I said, the original budget can be described as suboptimal. We are working to make it optimal once again.